Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening, children. Good evening. Please wait a minute, children. We will start the class. Yeah, Kritvik, what are the takeaway points from last class? Please once again recollect.
Ma'am, we learned about addition of unlike fractions and types of
Did we
fractions.
start a new chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
What is our chapter?
Ma'am, fractions.
Who sent homework for me? I think you only, right, Kritvik?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. You took 5 fractions together and adding and sending. I feel very happy by looking your work. How hard work you are doing. Very sincere boy. Good. Today morning I saw, I did not notice because many messages it's overlooked. Morning once again when I'm seeing, I saw how sincerely the child is taking 5 different fractions and taking step by step two fractions LCM, making them as like. Then he's doing really, I'll appreciate you better. Good.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Good. Okay, we'll start the chapter, children. General introduction part is given for you, right? We did not see our textbook part yet. Okay. Anubhav, how are you? Please message me. Are you all right? Anubhav, are you all right? Leshita joined, right? I'll give you a minute time, children, so we can start that text part. What we have rationalized the syllabus, the portions are different, children. We have to download the new textbook, old textbook. No need right now. Let's work chapter number 2. Okay, Anubhav. Okay, beta. Good recovery, speed recovery. Good. Who will read the introduction, children? Today I'll go with Leshita. Leshita, there is no introduction also. Everything is okay. Nothing is there. Earlier we have lots of introduction, but nothing is there. No need of worry also, directly we can. See children, in this class 7, you have multiplication of fractions and division of fractions. And decimal multiplication and decimal division, because class 6 we have addition and subtraction. Anyway, we just recollected yesterday the addition part. Addition of fractions, like fractions is very same, very easy. Unlike fractions means you are making them as a like fractions by taking LCM. Then we are make them as a like, then we are adding or subtracting the fractions. That is the thing happening. Multiplication of fractions are very similar to your repeated addition is called multiplication. Suppose here they gave one example. You see, it's find the area of rectangle. It is equal to length and breadth. If length of breadth of a rectangle is 7 centimeters and 4 centimeters respectively, then what will be the area? What is the area formula, children? Length and breadth, if you know, what is the formula for area? Length multiplied with breadth. Very good. Let me go with a small example. Suppose they gave very simple introduction part, children. Earlier we have many. They gave one thing. It's a rectangle. In this rectangle, the length is 7 centimeter and width is 4 centimeters. They're asking to find out area. Length is 7 centimeters. Width is 4 centimeters. They're asking about area. What is formula for area, children? Area is nothing but, we know very well. What is area? Area is nothing but interior space bounded by the, yes or no? Area is nothing but interior space bounded by the figure. This is area of the. So how you can calculate the area?
Ma'am, by perimeter.
By multiplying length multiplied with breadth. How you are calculating perimeter? By adding all. Yes or no? By adding all sides, you are calculating the perimeter. Let me go with the area is length multiplied with the breadth. Area is nothing but length multiplied with the breadth. So which is 7 into 4, 7 4s are 28 what? 28 what? Centimeter square. Area is nothing but 28 centimeter square. Coming to perimeter. What is the formula for perimeter, children? Sum of all sides of the figure, or it is particularly area rectangle, so it is 2 times length plus breadth. Length is 7, breadth is 4. If I add 7 plus 4, 11, 2 times of 11 is 22 centimeters. Area only measured in centimeter square units. Area can be measured in square units, whereas the perimeter can be direct units only. This is the perimeter of the figure. This is area of the figure. Suppose my question is, because we are introducing fractions, multiplication of fractions, we are going with the length of rectangle is 7 1/2 meters. Let me take length of rectangle is 7 1/2 meters, whereas width is length. What is the length, children?
Ma'am, 7 1/2.
7 1/2. Length 7 1/2 meters, whereas breadth is 3 1/4 meters, or something differently they gave. Let me check. 3 1/2. 7 oh, like fractions only given. Okay, not an issue. So the breadth is 3 1/2 meters. How to calculate area, children? These are the fraction types, right? How to calculate area? Yes. Who will say? How to calculate area? Here also length multiplied with breadth only, right? Formula is? Formula is, what is the formula?
L into B. Length into breadth.
Yes, area is nothing but length multiplied with breadth. But how you supposed to multiply? Because length is in fractional form, mixed numbers. What we will do for mixed number should be converted into improper fractions by multiplying the denominator with whole part, then adding the numerator. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 1 is 15 by 2. What about breadth here? 3 2s are
7 by
1
2.
is, sorry, 3 2s are 6. 6 plus
Yes,
1
ma'am.
is 7
7.
by 2. Come on, children. Now area is nothing but, what is the formula for area? Length multiplied with the breadth. Length is, if you convert 15 by 2 meters, as well as breadth is 7 by 2 meters. So area can be measured in square meters or meter square. So numerator and numerator will multiply denominator with denominator. You can, if any cancellation is there, you can do, but here there is no common factor in numerator and denominator. So you can directly 15 7 times how much, children?
105. 105.
105 divided by
4.
4. Can we, this is what type of fraction? This is what type of fraction?
Improper fraction.
Proper fraction.
Improper fraction, improper uniform, we should not leave like that. We should make them as mixed number. How to do mixed number? By doing division. By doing division. 4 2s are 8. Yes, 2 is remainder, bring down 5. 4 5s are 24, 6 are 24. So 1 is remain. Now you have to write in this way. First whole part as 26, then remainder as numerator, divisor as denominator. This is the area of the given figure. Hope you understood, children, how multiplications can be done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That is basic question, children. To calculate the area of rectangle, we need to how to multiply the fractions. We shall learn that now multiplication of fraction by a whole number. There are different cases better. Multiplication of fraction by whole number, multiplication of fraction by fractional number, multiplication of fraction by mixed number. There are different cases. We will go with the step by step. So in this case, the multiplication of fraction by a whole number. The one example I'll take here. What is the first case, children? Multiplication of a fraction by whole number. Suppose the length of a ribbon is 1.5 meters. The length of ribbon is the length of a ribbon or tape, anything you can take. The length of tape is 1.5 meters. The length of same like that. If I'm bringing 4 tapes, what is the total length of all 4 tapes together?
Ma'am, 6 1 by 2 into 4.
Multiply. We should the length of 4 tapes. Therefore, the length of 4 tapes like that. We should multiply 4 into 6 1 by 2. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
The length of 4 tapes. For 6 into, we are first we are unable to do directly this. We have to all the time convert into mixed to improper, improper to mixed. So 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, 13 by 2. Yes or no? Now this whole number belongs to the numerator only, children. Please remember, whenever the whole part, if you are multiplying with a fraction, that whole number part should be belongs to numerator, and nothing is there means you can make it as 1, so that there is no confusion for you whether it belongs to numerator or denominator. So now 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 2 into 13 is 26 meters. 2 into 26 is 26 meters. The length of 4 tapes is equal to 26 meters. Hope you understood, children, how multiplication of a whole number. Now I am going to give few questions for you through chat box. You can answer me. 5 multiplied with 11 by 15. The third bit is 6 4 by 15. Fourth one is 6 4 by 15 multiplied with 6 4 by 15. No, 6 into 4 by 15, and 3 1 by 4 multiplied with 5. Because this whole number should be either anywhere, but multiplication is commutative, we know very well. So you can change the order, you can do it. Yes, answer through chat box, children, please.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, first answer given by the student Anubhav. 2 bits, both the bits are correct, Anubhav. Very good. All four, all given by Anubhav. Good, good, very good. Yeah, Leshita given mix improper fractions for all. Even you can convert it better. Oh, it's 16, not. Yes, 16. Sorry, I did. 16. 1/4. Yeah, Leshita. Yes, you are correct. You can convert even into mixed numbers to Leshita. What about Varshit and Kritvik? Are you doing? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes,
Do
ma'am.
it and through chat box. You can. Yes, very good, Kritvik. And what about Varshit? I'm waiting for Varshit.
I am sending.
Yes, children, now we can move to the next. Try this. I think Varshit is not yet given. I'm waiting for Varshit.
Ma'am,
Please find the first bit. You can
Wow.
express the product in improper fraction, express as its mixed number 2.
ma'am,
There are 4 bits. There are 4 bits for you. Come on, make it fast. Any number, any fraction, multiply mixed number to a whole number. First, convert the mixed number to improper fraction. Then you have to multiply, children. That's a very important point to remember.
okay, ma'am.
There are 2 questions. Represent pictorially how you can represent. Even you can try this 2 also. Let me write on the board 2/7 into 3. Two by 7 into 3, first bit. Second one is 9/7 into 6. 9/7. Multiplication can be in any order, children. So my whole number with fractional number with whole number, the same procedure you are doing. Both are same. 3 into 1/8. And D is 13 by 11 into 6. This is first bit. Coming to the second one. Express in picture through you have to express the fraction into picture, the product into pictures. 2 multiplied with 2 by 5. Two by 5, you have to mark it, children. Yeah. 2 by 5, you have to mark it in this 2 out of 5. 2 out of 5 like that 2 times. If you add 2 times the 2 out of 5, you will get. I just marked it with some other color. So this is 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5. If I want to mark this as 2 by 5 into 2 by 5, how many portions I should say shade in the result, children? How many portions I should shade in result? Let's check it. Here to I have to shade 4 parts. So this is equal to 2 into 2 by 5, 2 into 2 by 5, which is obviously 4 by 5. So it belongs to 4 by 5. That's a pictorial representation. Even in the examination, they can ask you, children, for testing you people. So pictorial representation is also very important. You have to represent pictorially, means you have to do the same procedure. Not only no need of taking circle shape, you can take a rectangle shape and make as a 5 boxes. So you can take any your comfortable shape. You can 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of these you can 2 by 5. So same way, if you take another shape as 2 by 5, your wish you can do it. Don't take which picture, ma'am. I can take only circular. This is also 2 by 5. 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5 together. If I mark it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which is 2 times 2 by 5. This is 4 by Whole part always belongs to the numerator only, children, please remember. And go with try this part also. We did this type of questions also. 5 2 by, yeah, I did not get any response from my students. Please.
Ma'am, I sent
Is, Leshita is also given. Very good. Very good. I'll give answers, children. Please check yourself all whether all are correct or not. This whole number belongs to numerator only. So 2 3s are 6, 6 by 7. So this is also belongs to numerator. 9 6 times or 6 9 times, which is 54 by 7. 54 by 7. Again, if you want to convert into mixed number, how you supposed to convert, children? 49 7 5 by 7. Next 3 into 1. 3 into 1 by 8. 3 ones are 3 by 8. Yes, here too 13 into 6 by 11. 13 6 times how much, children? 72 by 11. So 6 times 66. 66 plus 8 by 11. Mixed number. So the same way, that's all, children. That's about the part. And coming to the check once your answers too, whether it is correct or not. Already you posted your answers. Let me see who are correct. 6 by 7, 54, 7, 5 by 7, 1 by 2. Is it 1 by 2? Which bit 1 by 2 you gave, ma? For C bit 1 by 2. How it is 1 by 2? Leshita, check once C bit. C bit and D bit. Leshita, check once C and D. Ritvik, are you doing?
Ma'am, I'm sending answers.
Okay. Second, try this also. You have to start doing, children.
have you got my answers?
Yes, I got Anubhav. Anubhav is given 6 by 7, yeah, 7, 5 by 7, 3 by 8, 7, 1 by 8. Hey, D bit 7, 1 by 8 or 6 by? I got 6 something. Check once D bit.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, 78. It's not 72. Correct. You are correct, children. Leshita,
Yes.
and you are 78 by 7. So 7s are 77, 1 by 11, right? 7, 1 by 11. Leshita is given 7, 1 by 8. Who is Anubhav? Anubhav, please check 7, 1 by 11. Leshita is correct, I think. Leshita, C bit you check. Only C bit. D bit is correct. Even I marked 36, 78. It's not 70. Kritvik 6 by 7 correct. 7, 5 by 7 correct. 3 by 8 correct. D 7, 1 by 7 correct. Very good, Kritvik. Leshita, very good. Anubhav, very good. Good. Only the thing I should get answer from Varshit. So pictorial representative. Okay, children. Now go with next. Try this. 5 multiplied with 2, 3 by 7. Come on, start doing this. There are only 2 bits. Mixed number with whole number with mixed number. Mixed number with whole number. Any order. Multiplication can be done in any order. Same thing. So mix whole number. Mixed fraction should be converted into improper fractions, then you have to do as it is. 5, 2 by 2, 3 by 7. 5. Second, try this. 5 into 2, 3 by 7. 5 into 2, 3 by 7. Second one is 1 by 3 multiplied with 1 4 by 9 multiplied with 6. Yes, same thing. First convert them into mixed number. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3 is 17 by 7. So this numerator, this belongs to the numerator. So 5 into 17 by 1 into 7, 7. 17 5s are 85 by 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 1 by 7 is the answer. Coming to the second one, please do the second one, give the answer, children. 1 4 by 9 into 6. 1 4 by 9 into. Yes, start doing quickly. I did not get the child. You should be little fast, children. 1 multiplied with 9. Yes, I got the answer from the student Anubhav. Second bit 8. Absolutely correct. After reducing, he gave. Very good, very good. Mm. 78 by 9, which is 8 2 by 3. Come on, children, please do it fast. Why you are taking much time? Yes, correct. 12, both correct, Kritvik. Yes. So 9, 9 plus 13 by 9 into 6. So 13 into 6 by 9. So you can reduce here. 2 2s are 3 2s are 3 3s are 9. 13 2s are 26 by 3. But 3 8s are 24. 2 remainder 2 by 3. That's one way. Or else you can directly multiply and simplify. That is also the same thing you will get. Right. Yes, can we move? Leshita, can we move to the next? Yes or no?
Yes.
That's about whole part with the fractions are very clear for you. Now fractions as an operator of. There is sometimes a fraction as an operator of. So how you can see the two squares are exactly similar. The two squares are exactly similar. Each shaded portion is half of one, half of one. And so both shaded portions together will be half of 2. So half combined 2 shaded with half parts, it represent one whole, right? So that what we can say, half of 2. We can write in the middle y of half. So half of 2 is nothing but multiplication. That means it is multiplication. So it's a whole one whole. So that is only they mentioned to represent this operator of is nothing but what? What is the meaning of of? If you see any your question, what sign you can use?
Multiplication.
Yeah, multiplication. For that, they gave children small activity given. So you can see here to the same part. Half of one, half of one, half of one. If you combined all these together. One whole, and how you supposed to write this? 1.5 or 3/2, or you can write it as 3/2. 1.5 or 3/2. So this we can write half into 3, so which is 3/2. So half represents here also multiplication. Not only a single condition, a generalized statement, half represent. Suppose half of 16. What is the value of half of 16?
8.
8. I got half of 50 marks in today's test. That means how many marks I got?
25.
Very good, 25 marks. You can, there is a logical way of telling your expressions to children. Half of 100 marks I scored.
50.
Manish Pandey did a half of a century, means
50, ma'am.
50 runs he did. Manish Pandey did half of century, means 50 runs he did. Like that, you can speak logically also, children. The question sometimes. So can you tell what is half of 10?
5.
5.
1/4 of 16. Mama, I want 1/4 of 16 rupees to eat chocolate in my canteen. Means how much you are?
4, ma'am. 4.
4.
Right. Like that also you can, because directly questioning is different. Indirect way of asking is also one logical thinking, children. 2/5 of 25. This is different one. We will go with this. 1/4, the half of 10, you understood anyway. 1/4 of 16. 1/4 of 16 means it's a multiplication. 1/4 into 16. So here 1 into 16 by 4. So 4 1s are 4 4s are. So 4 into 1 is 4. Same way 2/5 of 25. 2/5 of 25. Same thing, children. 2/5. Half means multiplication 25. This is again, once again, 2 into 25 by 5. 5 1s are, 5 5s are. So 5 2s are 10. 2/5 of 25 means 10.
10.
You can ask your friends today, I want a half of 1/4 of 100. Means how much you are asking?
Ma'am.
Mama, I want 1/4 of 100. Means how much you are asking to your mom?
25.
25. Amma, I want 1/5 of 100.
Ma'am, 10.
20.
1/5 of 100.
1/5. Ma'am, 20.
1/5 of 100.
20.
Huh?
20.
Hey, I won't give. If you tell wrong, I never give the amount to you. 1/5 of 100. Amma, I want 1/5 of 100. Please give me. What does that means? 1/5. Only one student gave correct answer. Someone are given different. 1/5 of 100.
Ma'am, 20. 20.
So, it's a 20, correct? 20 rupees. Amma, I want 3/4 of 200. 3/4 of 200. Amma, I want 3/4 of 200 to buy my book. What is the meaning?
150.
Ma'am, 150.
Very good. It's 150 rupees. I want 3/4 of 200 rupees to buy my in some notebook or some textbook, some story book to read in holidays. Something you can math language is also very interesting, children. You can use with your mama and papa also. You can ask whether they are giving correct answer or not. Please check it. Okay. Right. That's about. I think there is no doubt for you in this. You can do more better than me. There is a class of 40 students. 1/5 of total number of students likes to study English. 2/5 of total likes to math, and the remaining students like science. The question is, how many students like English? How many students like mathematics? How many students like social science? How you will get? It is also 1 students instead of rupees, there are 1/5 of 40. What is the value of 1/5 of 40?
8 men.
8 students like to study English. 2/5 of 40.
16, ma'am.
Ma'am, 6.
Ma'am, 16. 16.
Yes, 16. Very good. Now remaining means that's 8. This is 16. Yeah, very easily. 1/5 you know very well as is 8. 2/5 means multiply with 2. 16. 8 plus 16 together.
Ma'am, 24.
32, right? 24. 24. So this is 24 students together. The remaining students like study to science. How many students study to science? Out of 40, 24 both like English and math. Remaining are science. That means how many are science? 40 minus 24.
Ma'am,
16, ma'am. 16. 16 students.
Yeah, very good children. If they're asking to represent in a fraction, you can mention like a 16 out of 40, 24 out of like that you can try it. That's about the day, children. Next class we will see these things. Today in math terminology, you have to use your word, whatever the concept we are teaching, you can use that in day-to-day life also. It makes a lots of fun and happy learning also. There is, you can see, there are, tomorrow we will see children, you can try this. Today's homework is 5th bit. 5th bit is your homework. And for first 4 bits are very simple. So 2 1/5. There are some pictures, some product of the fractions. So which picture represented which fraction you need to identify. 1 out of 5. You have to see 1 out of 5 in which figure? One out of 5 is a D. One is matched with D. What about the B? Second one.
Ma'am, B.
Ma'am, B.
Second one matched with Bangalore B. Yes. Third one. What about third one?
Ma'am, C.
Ma'am, A.
2/3. A. 2/3. Out of 3, 2 is shaded. So which is this? A. Good. Next, what is the last rest of word is C? That's about first one. Some pictures A to C is given below. Tell which of the same. Same here too. We have to match children. There is a given one thing here. So how it is related to what you can see. 3 1/5 is equal to 3/5. So which one is it related to C figure? Yes or no? One is matched with C.
Yes, ma'am.
2 into 1/3, which is 2/3. Is it matched with?
A,
A.
ma'am.
3 into 1, 3/4.
Ma'am, B, ma'am. 2 1/4.
That's all, children. Today your homework is question number 3 and question number 5. And this is also you can do activity. Shade. You have to draw the boxes. Shade it half of the circles. Half of the circles means how many you should shade in this? Half of the circles means how many you shade?
Ma'am, 6.
6. Very good. 2/3 of triangles means how many you shade?
Ma'am, 6.
6. Very good. 3/5 means? Out of 5 columns, 3 columns you should. That means 3 columns together. How many are there?
Ma'am, 9.
9. That's all, children. That's all. Today you can try those things. What is your homework? Third bit, fifth bit, sixth bit. These 3 bits are your homework. 7th and 8th next class I will. Okay. Bye, children. Yeah. Any doubt, children? Any doubt, Prithvik, Leshita?
Ma'am, will you send the homework?
What is the homework given? The page now. 1 minute. Let
Ma'am.
me take the text. Question number 4 or 3? Which questions I gave? 3.
Ma'am, 3.
3,
Ma'am,
5, and 6.
3.
How many questions? What are the questions given for you, children? Homework?
Ma'am, 3, 5, and 6.
3, 5, 6 better. Prithvik 3, 5, 6.
Ma'am, I don't have the textbook, ma'am.
No, download from NCERT portal beta. Can I help you? How you supposed to download?
Yes.
Can I
ma'am.
help you? So that
Yes.
it is see my screen. Go to the Google. Please, 1 minute. I'll show to you. Go to the Google. Yes. You can search class 7 NCERT textbook. There you will get this portal. Or else can I share this link? 1 minute. I'll ask my son to share with you. Yeah, Anish, please share this link in the chat box. Come fast. Like this class 7. There is only one chapter, particular chapter you can. How? If it is, this is my class 8 book, but I don't want class 8. I want class 7. I should take maths from here. And then this is also math, and go means I got this textbook. This is the content rationalized new one. Among the second chapter I want. Open. Then which link I should help for students to copy? Through chat box you can post so that they can download their desktop. For everyone. For everyone. Send it. Yes. Did you got the link, Veta? Check. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please use the link and download the chapter so that you can do from.
Okay, ma'am.
Even it is helpful for you. If you download the textbook means you can see back to all the patterns. Can I stop sharing? You are downloading, ma? Or Prithvik?
Yes, ma'am. I copied it.
You got link. If I close means you may not get the link. Did you copy it?
Yes, ma'am. I did.
Bye, children. Have a nice day.
Yes, ma'am.